Hello friends, welcome back to this new video tutorial. Today's topic is how to make Spellnumber function permanent across all Excel workbooks. In my channel, I have already uploaded some videos on creating the Spellnumber function to convert the numeric value to the spelling or word format. But in those videos, the function I created was applicable on the existing workbook where the function is created. But practically, we need the function across all workbooks. So here in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process of creating the Spellnumber function that will be available across all the workbooks. First of all, you need to have the BBA code to create the Spellnumber function. The code is here in this notepad document. I will put this code link in the video description below from where you can copy this code. First of all, select all this code, right click and copy the code. Go to Microsoft Excel Workbook, then click on the Developer tab, then Visual Basic. In the VBA window, click on the Insert tab, then Module. Here in the Module page, right-click and paste the code. Close the VBA editor. Now in the workbook, you will see the Spellnumber function. Press equals, type spell. Here you can see the Spellnumber function is given. This Spellnumber function has two features. One is simple number to spelling conversion and the other is currency number to spelling conversion. For example, here in this cell, let me put 11.45. In the another cell also, let me put the same value. Here I'll use the simple number to spelling conversion by using the function. Press equal to, put Spellnumber function. Then click on the number to convert, close bracket, press enter. Here you can see 11.45. The another conversion type is currency number to spelling conversion. So here in this case, there are multiple arguments in the formula. Press equal to, use the Spellnumber function. First of all, click on the number, put a comma. Then you have to put the unit name of the currency. For example, here I am putting double quotation, US dollar, double quotation. Then put a comma. In the third argument, you have to provide the sub-unit name, that is double quotation, cents, double quotation. This unit name and sub-unit name you can change according to your country's currency name. Put a comma, and finally in the fourth argument, you have to provide how many digits are there in the sub-unit. In case of US dollar cent, there are 2 digits in the sub-unit. Close bracket, press enter. And here you can see this number is converted into the spelling format in currency, 11 US dollar and 45 cents. So in this way the function works. Now we have to make this function permanent across all workbook. So this is the main point of this video. To make the function permanent, first of all you have to create a add-in from this VBA code. So for that, click on the File tab, click on Save As, and here in the type of the file you have to select Excel add-in file type. Here you can see Excel add-in option is given, so click on this option. Then here put the name of the add-in file, for example Spellnumber. Now you have to save this file in a location in your computer. For that, click on the browse button, then choose a folder where you want to save the add-in file. Here I am saving this file in the E drive, and here I'll create a folder by right clicking, click on new, then folder, and here I'll put the name is my add-ins. Now open this folder, then save this add-in here by clicking on the save button. Now let me go to my PC and see in the E drive. Here you can see in my add-in folder there is a add-in created. Here you can see this is the add-in file. The next step is go to Microsoft Excel sheet, then click on the File tab, then Options. Click on the Advanced menu and here scroll down. And here you'll see this option, It Startup Open All File In. Here in this box, you have to put the file location of the add-in file. For that, go to this add-in folder, then click here in the address bar, then copy this folder location by right clicking, then copy. Go to Excel sheet and here in It Startup Open All File In, paste the file location. This is the location of the add-in. Now click on OK. After completing all these steps, now the Spellnumber function will be available across all the workbooks. Let me close this one. Now let me open here a new Microsoft Excel workbook. Then if I click on the cell, press equal to, then type spell, here you can see the Spellnumber function is available. Let me click on this cell, close bracket, press enter, then put here a number. Here you can see the number gets converted. Let me open here another workbook from my desktop. For example, this one. Let me use the function here in this workbook. Press equal to, type Spellnumber. Here you can see the function is available. Click on the number, close bracket, press enter, and you'll get the number converted. So this is how you can make the Spellnumber function permanent across all Excel workbooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in another video tutorial.